Here's a Robeson box fan that I picked up at a flea market several years ago for about $5. And yeah, it's a pretty good fan actually overall. As you can see, this is it's got a good bit of rust on it, probably to the point that it needs restored, but I doubt I'm going to do that just because, I don't know, I'm too lazy. But yeah, I've seen a few of these. Other people have these fans. They're not the most common box fan you can find, but a lot of people say they're like a knockoff of Lakewood. And I guess that's sort of true, but in my opinion, you might as well, if you're going to knock something off, you might as well knock off one of the best, you know. So, and I think it does a pretty good job because this is a pretty good fan. It seems pretty well built and performing. It's actually a 3-speed fan, although high does seem like high, but medium kind of seems like low, and low is just like a silent, just really slow speed, which I actually like that. I mean, I don't have any problem with fans like that. You know, a lot of times they don't get the low speed right and it's too noisy, and I'd rather have a silent slow speed anyways. But yeah, as you can see, the design is very similar to a Lakewood, except for the fact that the frame is a little more square and the grill is different. The blade is basically the same thing, but the hub is just, the ventilation is slightly different. And yeah. And of course, like most box fans from this era, you have a Macmillan motor. And I like Macmillan motors. They seem to do the job. I don't have any problems with them. I've never had any problems with them. I think they're pretty good motors. But yeah, I've seen a few other models of Robesons before, and I've actually seen some that sort of look like the first gen Lakewoods. I've seen some that kind of look like the third gen with Toastmaster blades, and I don't know, I think that I'm pretty sure Robeson made their own products. Like, they made more than just fans, they made different household type of things. And they might even actually still be in business today, but I don't think they're making fans anymore. But enough of rambling. I guess I'll turn this fan on, show you what the speeds look like. There's high. Medium. It's actually kind of like a low speed. And there's low. It's a real slow, silent kind of speed. Yep. Give you the side. The other side. And yeah. It's a high. Spins pretty free. fan is, according to the Macmillan motor, it's 1987 model. And that's my Robeson box fan. I hope you enjoyed.